Hi, it's Niambi Lewis. um, I guess the wife of Daryl Lewis Jr. And I guess, um, wait, start over. I said them too many times.
It's okay, I'll cut it out.
Okay. Um, just in thinking about Wanda and Daryl celebrating their 50th anniversary, it's really monumental. Like, I'm blessed to be married into a family that there's been the same parents married for so long. I was raised, single parent, so I was really glad to meet Wanda and Daryl, and that's really an inspiration to Daryl and I, and just starting our marriage and just seeing what are the things that are important to make it work. And I really admire the commitment that you all have to each other. And it's been what, four years now that I've been a part of your family, and Malachi and I have just been welcomed with open arms. I remember when Daryl and I first announced our engagement, Wanda bought me roses, and I thought that was the sweetest thing, just to welcome me to the family. It was a really nice thing to do, and I always I had a lot of anxiety about marrying into a family. You don't ever know what that's going to be like, and so that was just